Hello, welcome back to my Landmates. Today, we'll be unboxing some figurines. I'll take them out of the larger bag first. Here's all the sides of the box. I really appreciate how well their packaging is. Considering this to be my first purchase from Toymany, I really love how detailed their minifigurines are. You can see the size doesn't vary too much from a Schleich wolf, which is really helpful when I'm making videos. I also love how the tail was sculpted on this figurine, and the fur is so detailed. Here's the beige standing wolf compared to the Mojo Dalmatian. The size is about the same, with the Mojo Dalmatian being slightly larger. Overall, I really love these figurines, and I'm hopefully going to get some more in the future. I also really recommend that you buy some too if you're a new collector. Bye!